I have with me Vibhuti from India. She decided to come to Germany 2 years back, took support from EU Gateway, and now here she is, and she has some piece of advice for us and maybe for the future students.
Hey, hi guys, whoever is listening to me. I hope you succeed in your journey of achieving your dreams, and I can totally say that you are at the right place with EU Gateways because I remember my time, I was so confused where to go, and I met Sumit, and he actually guided me in my journey. And I'm personally speaking, like honestly, he's the right person. Just listen to him, listen to his advice, and just take that step and take the brave step to come out to this country. And I can assure you that you're gonna have a lot of opportunities here in Germany. It comes with own sets of challenges, but life is worth taking a challenge and it's worth having that roller coaster ride. And you will love it. I'm loving it here. I have a good community, I have support, and wish you all the best in your journey.
Right. That's really nice, Vibhuti. My last question to you is, what have you studied at which university, and what do you currently do?
Yeah. So I did my master's here in Hamburg. My program was Global Technology and Innovation Management. And now I'm currently working like an intern in SAP, Signavio. And earlier I worked with Siemens Gamesa internship. So that's why I'm saying how a lot to explore. So yeah.
Do you see yourself a future in Germany?
Definitely, like why not? Like you have everything you ever wanted. Like you have the culture, you have the right mindset, you have experiences and opportunities to travel, meet so many people, like learn from them especially. So it's a amazing country. I would say Germany if you choose to, but anywhere if you land up in Europe, it's amazing. But for me personally, I like Germany because it's the economic powerhouse of Europe, and all in all, I just love it. But my only advice would be to learn German. If you're coming, just come with this mindset and have a vision in your mind that you wanna come and experience a new thing. It shouldn't be like you have to remain in your closet and you just want to be in the shell. Just break the shell out of it and then just go ahead, enjoy the journey, take it easy.
Thank you so much, Vibhuti. We wish you all the best from
Thank
the
you.
entire team of EU Gateway.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the support.